Here I have General Mobile GM8 Go, and let me show you how to enable here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Open the settings right here, and here you should find the sound. Choose here Do Not Disturb preferences, and here you can use Do Not Disturb settings. You can, for example, switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend. You can switch on Do Not Disturb every weeknight, every event. You can add some more rules. You can also choose some priority. For example, you can allow the reminders, events. You can allow message from some favorite contacts, and you can also handle repeat callers. So that's it. You can set up all Do Not Disturb settings right here, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.